Welcome back to our online course creator series. Today, we are diving into a crucial aspect of course development, identifying your target audience. Understanding who your course is designed for lays the foundation for creating content that truly resonates and delivers value. In this episode, we'll explore how conducting keyword research can provide invaluable insights into the interests and needs of your target audience for an online course. Keyword research, understanding audience needs. Keyword research isn't just about optimizing your content for search engines, it's a powerful tool for understanding the wants and needs of your audience. By analyzing search trends and volumes for specific keywords and phrases, course creators can uncover the topics and subjects that are currently capturing the interest of their audience. For instance, a surge in searches for terms like graphic design tutorials or web development courses may indicate a heightened demand for these skills among learners. Let's delve into how it can help you gain deeper insights into your target audience. Stay tuned as we explore further. 1. Identifying popular topics. Keyword research serves as a compass guiding course creators towards the most sought-after subjects within a particular niche or industry. By delving into search volumes and trends for specific keywords and phrases, creators gain invaluable insights into the subjects currently capturing the interest of their target audience. For instance, a surge in searches for terms like social media marketing strategies may indicate a heightened curiosity or demand for insights in that realm. Armed with this knowledge, creators can strategically develop courses that directly address these popular topics, ensuring their content remains relevant and engaging. By aligning course content with trending subjects, creators not only attract more learners but also position themselves as authorities in their field, enhancing their credibility and appeal. 2. Discovering pain points. Keywords are often reflective of the challenges and uncertainties individuals face within a given niche. Through meticulous keyword research, course creators can uncover the keywords associated with prevalent pain points or obstacles within their target audience's sphere of interest. For instance, keywords such as effective time management techniques or stress reduction strategies for professionals may signify common hurdles encountered by learners in these domains. By identifying these pain points, creators gain profound insights into the specific needs and concerns of their audience, enabling them to craft course content that directly addresses these challenges. This proactive approach not only enhances the relevance and value of the course but also positions it as a practical solution for learners seeking guidance and support. By empathetically addressing their audience's pain points, creators foster trust, loyalty, and engagement, laying the foundation for a successful learning journey. 3. Understanding language and terminology. Keyword research provides creators with a window into the language, terminology, and phrases commonly used by their target audience. By analyzing the keywords and phrases prevalent in searches related to their niche, creators gain insights into the vocabulary preferences of their audience. For instance, if terms like ROI or KPIs dominate search queries in the business analytics field, it indicates a preference for industry-specific jargon. Armed with this understanding, creators can tailor their course content to resonate with the language preferences of their audience, ensuring it feels relatable and accessible. By incorporating familiar terminology and expressions, creators establish rapport with learners, fostering a sense of connection and understanding. This linguistic alignment not only enhances the clarity and coherence of the course but also cultivates a positive learning environment where learners feel validated and engaged. 4. Identifying long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords represent specific phrases or queries that indicate a high level of intent or interest from the searcher. Through keyword research, creators can uncover these nuanced expressions, providing insights into niche-specific interests and needs that may not be immediately apparent. For instance, long-tail keywords like best budget-friendly vegan recipes for beginners or advanced data analysis techniques for healthcare professionals offer valuable clues about the precise topics or solutions learners are seeking. By identifying and targeting these long-tail keywords, creators can develop highly targeted course content that addresses the unique interests and concerns of their audience. This tailored approach not only enhances the relevance and appeal of the course but also positions it as a valuable resource that precisely meets learners' needs. By catering to specific queries and interests, creators maximize the potential for engagement and satisfaction among their audience, driving success for their online course. 5. Exploring competitor keywords. Analyzing the keywords targeted by competitors offers valuable insights into the interests, preferences, and behaviors of the target audience. By examining the keywords used in competitor content and marketing materials, creators gain a deeper understanding of the topics and solutions that resonate with their audience. For instance, if competitors are heavily targeting keywords related to digital marketing trends for 2022 or remote work productivity tips, it suggests these topics are of significant interest to learners in the field. By leveraging this intelligence, creators can identify gaps in the market or areas where they can differentiate their course offerings to better meet the needs of their audience. This strategic approach not only helps creators stay ahead of the curve but also ensures their course content remains relevant and competitive in a crowded landscape. By capitalizing on untapped opportunities and addressing emerging trends, creators position themselves as leaders in their niche, attracting and retaining a loyal audience for their online course. 6. Refining course topics and content. Keyword research serves as a compass guiding course creators in refining their course topics and content to better align with the interests and needs of their target audience. By analyzing keyword trends and search volumes, creators gain insights into the specific topics and subtopics that resonate most with their audience. For example, if keywords related to social media marketing for small businesses consistently rank high in search volumes, it indicates a strong interest in that particular aspect of marketing among learners. Armed with this information, creators can tailor their course curriculum to focus on relevant topics and delve deeper into areas of interest. This targeted approach not only ensures the course remains engaging and valuable but also enhances its appeal to potential learners searching for solutions to their specific challenges. By refining course topics and content based on keyword insights, creators increase the likelihood of attracting a highly interested and engaged audience, setting the stage for a successful learning experience. 7. Informing marketing strategies. Keyword research plays a crucial role in informing the marketing strategies employed to promote an online course. By identifying the keywords and phrases that resonate most with their target audience, creators can develop targeted marketing campaigns that effectively reach and engage potential learners. For instance, if keywords related to digital marketing courses online have high search volumes, creators can optimize their website content, advertisements, and social media posts to include these keywords, improving their visibility in search engine results and attracting qualified leads. Additionally, keyword insights can inform the development of content marketing strategies, such as blog posts, videos, or webinars that address the specific interests and needs of the target audience. By aligning marketing efforts with keyword trends, creators maximize the effectiveness of their campaigns and increase the likelihood of attracting interested learners to their online course. This strategic approach not only enhances the reach and impact of marketing efforts but also contributes to the overall success and profitability of the course. Through keyword research, creators can also identify the pain points and challenges faced by their audience. Keywords associated with phrases like time management tips for entrepreneurs or stress relief techniques for students provide valuable insights into the specific needs and concerns of learners, allowing creators to tailor their course content accordingly. Subscribe now for more insights. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating successful online courses.